I am shocked that a scientific-based workshop has been inhibited from going ahead. This workshop by Dr. Joe Dispenza has been proven to help people to cure illnesses and to thrive and to reduce stress and change their life for the better. He's shown time and time again that their brain waves change, that the bioindicators in their body change to a more healthy environment, and the people start to heal. And he's been inhibited. Well, that's the science, that's the word that's going out, but really it's been cancelled. They've made it impossible for him to go ahead because if he does, they're going to bring him to court based on new laws that say that he's trying to manipulate people psychologically. He's feeding them stuff that's just not true. And yet he has all of this scientific research and he spent years getting it. And thousands of people have attended his workshops and been better for it. And these new laws all around censorship are trying to put a stop to it. I think it's an outrage. I think it's really bad that free speech and actual scientific research that's been proven and will probably now prevent people from going ahead and proving more things just because it goes against the status quo. They're saying, no, not allowed, it's manipulation. Well, actually, isn't ending free speech manipulation? I'll get off my soapbox right now, but I think it's just really important. I think free speech and scientific inquiry and inquiry into our own minds and the way the world works is really important. I'd love to know what you think. Put your comments below. Take care. Have a lovely day of thriving.